Here's how to recover permanently deleted emails in Gmail. Now open up the Gmail app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. It works the exact same. Now, if you went through and deleted an email, and you even deleted it from the deleted emails folder or the trash folder, there's only one way to be able to get that back, and it's through Google's recovery process. To be able to access that, we're going to tap on those three lines at the top left, and then we're going to tap on Help and Feedback. Within here, you're able to go to the Gmail Help section. And on here, there is a recovery tool that will allow you to get back all of those emails. This is usually in case somebody hacked your account or there was somebody gaining access to your account that you didn't like. So all we need to do from here is tap on search, and we're going to search for missing. And you can see Gmail messages are missing at the very top. So tap on that. Now, it walks you through this entire process of essentially what you can do. It says check these things first, check to see if your storage is full, all of that stuff. I would recommend going through that process just to see if you can recover them that way. But if you can't do that and they are actually missing, all we need to do is go to the very bottom to recover your emails. And on here, it says Gmail Message Recovery Tool. It looks like you already started working on it, but let's just hit the start over. And it says, all right, recover your emails. Confirm that this is the email that you lost those emails for. So your Gmail account should be right under there, and it will recover them within the last 30 days. If you're good to go, just hit the continue button and it will go through the process. And it says before we can try, you might need to make sure that you secure your account and go through the security flow, etc. So just go through this process. You might need to update your password, etc. But then Gmail will work to recover all of those emails and essentially just put them back into your Gmail account.